Hello traders, what's going on? In the previous lecture, I have discussed about the basic formation and characteristics of head and shoulder pattern on a price action chart. And from this lecture on and the next couple of lectures, you will learn about the triangle patterns and types of triangle pattern. So in this lecture today, I am going to talk about the basic characteristics of triangle pattern on a price action chart. The triangle pattern is one of the most famous pattern among traders. This pattern usually signals the continuation of the old trend, and if you can recognize it, it can be very helpful in observing the price action. So let's start. What is triangle chart pattern? Triangle pattern is the price formation that signals a potential trend continuation. This pattern is a specific figure formed on a price action chart. Typically, it identifies when the tops and bottoms of the price action are moving toward each other. When the upper and lower level of a triangle interact, then you expect that an eventual breakout from the triangle pattern. So you can use this triangle formation for identifying breakout entry points. Types of triangle chart pattern. There are different kinds of triangles that can be seen on a financial market chart. We will now take a closer look at the various triangle chart pattern and the corresponding trade setup. So kind of triangle pattern are ascending triangle pattern, descending triangle pattern, and symmetrical triangle pattern. You should be able to add a triangle trading strategy to your trade setup. Ideally, triangle patterns are used to identify area of potential breakout. Those patterns also seen when there is indecision among the market participants. This indecision happens because the market is not sure of how the asset will move up. Drawing triangles in the financial market is very easy. So you need to ensure that you are using candlestick pattern. It is almost impossible to identify triangles when you are using bar chart, line chart, and other types of chart. Triangle patterns are important because it indicates the continuation of bullish and bearish market. You can also assist in spotting a market reversal. The goal for you is to identify a scenario where the triangle is forming and then use the information to know how to trade. Triangle patterns are commonly used technical analysis tool. It is important for you to recognize pattern from this market. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.